travelers! Welcome aboard to my channel. My name is Gloria and in today's video I'm really excited to show you my new web page. So finally, after 3 years working on videos for YouTube and content for Instagram, I decided to create my own web. Finally, it's here. I'm gonna show it to you today. Also go through it with you for you to know all the different sections and all the useful tips you can find in there. So first of all, my web, as you could imagine, is travelwithglow.com. So you can go and check it out now. It's available, it's free, it has a lot of interesting content. You can check it out. So let's go, and I'm gonna share my screen with you so we can go through it together. So this is the home page, and I want to thank all of you guys because you helped me to choose the logo. I made different versions in different colors, and through a poll in Instagram you decided to choose this one, which I'm really happy because it shows photography and the words, so it's really nice and those colors are delicious. So I wanted a photo of me, not so much text, just showing me being happy and outside. And the interesting thing of the homepage is that you can scroll down, and so in this section you can get a 5-step guide on how to create the best filmmaking for social media. It's really useful, that's why I used to create my content. It has different ideas of videos you can make, also useful webs I use to get my music and how to create the best videos, also tips about posting on Instagram and how to edit. So it's really interesting, and I made it for you guys to have it, so I hope it helps you also to create content. So the good news about the web is that since this weekend I'm gonna post one video on Sundays on YouTube or Instagram. I will let you know before, and then on Wednesdays I'm gonna post something on the web, so I could post a blog post, a tutorial, some content about traveling. So there's gonna be 2 days. Really looking forward to that because I want to share with you a lot of information that I have, but now I wanted to write it down for you to have it forever. And after that we move to the travel section where I made a gallery of places I've visited, and then you can click in the photos, for example in my city Soria, and you can read some text and information, also see some pictures and videos I have created about that. It's a really good way to have all the content I create, like videos and photos, really useful when you want to travel somewhere. You can also go to different places like Paris. So as you may know, I went to Taiwan in 2017, and that's why I started to make videos for my YouTube channel. So these are the first videos I made, and although they are in Spanish, they also have English subtitles, so don't worry about that. You can see all the interesting places, also the night market, also different day trips you can do while you are there. And I will keep adding more places and information of the different places as the time can pass. Also, I created an own page about Norway because I get a lot of questions about Norway. First of all, is work in Norway? And here are the videos that I'm working on, and I will release them on April, so go and check it out. Also, if you go to my web now, you can have the exclusive access to see the information there, which is really interesting, and I recommend you to have a look if you're interested in working in Norway. Really interesting things to come here. Also, I created a section called Study in Norway where I talk about my studies on Learn Travel to Learn with One Word Institute, that I also get a lot of questions, and here you can see all the videos I created about that. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out, but I totally recommend it. It was a great experience, so life-changing. I learned so much about myself, about the world, about society. I made amazing friends. I visited so many places, so it was great. Then on the section of photography, so first of all, portrait photography. That's the kind of photography I do and I really like. So here I share some tips and tricks on how to take photos of yourself in ugly places. That's a video I made, and also I share some photos here that you can see. Also, I share with you this video I made with my friend Gabriela in a school in Norway where I took photos of her in different locations, so it's really nice. She's amazing, so beautiful and stylish, so go and check it out. And another part of the photography section is retouch and tutorials. What I want to create more content about it because I think it helps you guys to make more photos and inspire you. And the last section is collaborations with other photographers. I've been their model and muse, so I just wanted to share some photos. The next part is called videos, and of course I have to create a section about that. These are collaborations I made with brands or different works I do outside YouTube. So I helped my friend Jose Cortez to make a video about a recipe for a hashtag where different chefs was promoting aceituna, which is the olives in Spain. Also my last videos on YouTube, really interesting and just a quick way to go there to check it out. And also IGTV videos I made. One of the things I'm most excited about in the web is the blog part. So I have to write more, add more content like recipes, also inspiration, also anything you want to see, just leave it in comments and I will add more content, something more personal, anything I want to write about. And also really interesting is that you can book me to work with you. So I offer different services. I do photo and video for social media. I do community manager for Instagram, content creating for brands, photography retouching, and video editing. So all of these things you can book it, the price there, you can check it. So I'm really excited to finally give you the opportunity to work with me and I can work with you guys, and that's really great. So that was all from my web called travelwithglow.com, and I hope you can check it out. Leave me feedback there, tell me what do you think, what do you want to see, how can I improve it, and yeah, share with me your thoughts because that will help me a lot. And I just wanted to give to you as much as you are giving to me for all the support all this time, so I'm really happy. And I'm looking forward to create more content and help you and inspire you, and let's keep traveling when we can. So I hope you are all safe, you are healthy, and keep being positive, and see you next week. Ciao!